morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Saturday morning. Yes, I'm not due back from vacation till tomorrow, but it's Saturday. And you know what Saturday means for the last few weeks? Farmers Market. The Yuba City Certified Farmers Market. I have kind of developed some friendships with some of these growers and farmers. Look at this bounty I got this week. Seedless green grapes. Oh, they are nice and sweet. The big score is the Thai basil. There's a funny story that goes with this Thai basil and these beautiful eggplant. I don't know what variety they are, but there's a funny story that goes between the Thai basil and the eggplant, and I'll get to it in a minute. Some zebra-striped zucchinis, some green and yellow squash, some beautiful little plums, and some peppers, some green beans. I was tossing between either like snap beans like this or the lengthy long bean. I decided to go with the green beans this week. And these beautiful mushrooms from my buddy Corey that's up in Auburn. This is a mix of a little bit of this and that. And you can tell Thai basil, see these blossoms? They're purple, not white. White is Mediterranean basil. The Thai basil has a purple-ish or lavender blossom. The funny story is I'm wrapping up my shopping. And I'm like, I need one more veggie for tonight. So I go back to this grower, the Yong family. It's Xiong. They have great produce. I tried to spread my purchases through several families and growers, farmers. This is probably from like 5 or 6 different people and families and so forth. So I'm looking at these these wonderful little slender eggplants. I'm like, hey, how do you cook these? This lady next to me, she's about 5'0", Asian woman. It was really funny because she's like, I'm talking to her and the gentleman, this young man behind the stand, and we're talking. Okay, we can saute it, yada yada yada. And I said, hey, how about using a wok? Oh yes. She's like, oh yes, use a wok. Lots of garlic. Gotta have lots of garlic. I'm like, so I had 2 of those out to buy. She goes, no, you need one more. I'm like, why? Because they shrink. I'm like, okay. This little grandma, sweet lady, actually picked this Thai basil out for me because I asked the gentleman, hey, if you had Thai basil, I will buy it in a second because I've been trying to get it all year. So this beautiful, short grandma woman hands me, goes, yeah, fresh, good. I'm like, okay, a plate of water. I'm sorry, I'm not being disrespectful. But it was very grandma-ish. If you know what I'm talking about, the Jewish grandmother, the Italian grandmother, even for my family, the Polish grandmother. This 5 foot reminded me of my ex-wife's mother, Dea. She was like that. Use lots of garlic, just a little pepper. So again, it was a lot of fun this morning. I will look forward to using all this produce throughout the week. The grapes and the plums were a splurge. I haven't actually had any fresh fruit from the farmer's market this year, so I decided at the end of the season to get some fresh fruits. Like I said, the grapes were wonderful. When was the last time you saw a bunch of grapes look like wine grapes? Absolutely beautiful. Again, this is my haul this week, and I will use every bit of it. So, on this Saturday morning, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.